Pan-seared snapper lemon butter sauce with mashed potato and sauté string beans by Carolina.K. These are all the ingredients. Mise en place. Always use fresh ingredients. Work safety. Wash and clean all the vegetables and wash your hands properly. Use cutting board to cutting and place it above the damp cloth to avoid cutting board to slip. Sharp knife, less risk of slip. Knife skill. Cut both ends of the string beans for the same length. Chop the parsley. Clean the cutting board and knife to avoid the cross-contamination. Chop the tomato. Roll the lemon to get the juice out. Cut the lemon. Press the garlic to make it easy to peel the skin. Don't forget to put remaining unused ingredients in one place. Chop the garlic. Fillet the snapper. Seasoning the snapper with salt and pepper for natural crust. Sprinkle with flour for make the surface of the fish becomes crispy when it cooked. Mashed potato. Mash the potatoes with a fork or potato masher. Press using a strainer to make the texture get smoother. Turn on the stove to low heat. Add 2 little cups of butter. Add a little bit of 3 tablespoons fresh milk. Put the seasoning and nutmeg powder. Mix well until smooth. Sauteed string beans. Blanch the string beans. Put the salt. Blanch for 2 until 3 minutes. When it cooked, put in ice water to retain color and stop the cooking process. Saute the string beans with 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Pan-seared snapper. Put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Put the snapper skin side down. Apply some pressure so that the skin becomes nice and crispy until golden brown and crispy. Lemon butter sauce. Add the juice of lemon. Add chopped garlic and mix it well. Add a butter. Add seasoning, salt and pepper. Add chopped parsley. Wash your hands properly. Finally, this is pan-seared snapper lemon butter sauce with mashed potato and sauteed string beans. Thanks to our lectures. Thanks for watching.